Okay, hello and welcome to another operators video. And in this one we are going to discuss comparison operators. Okay, and comparison operators are used to compare between two numbers and strings actually. But we are going, we are going to experience these, these operators today just with numbers. Okay, so to make the comparison work, we need to create two variables like this. Okay, so I'm going to set this 10 and the second one, which we are going to call it y, let's set it in 9. Okay, just very basic and simple. And now let's talk about our comparison operators. The first one is equal, second one is identical, the third one is not equal, greater than, and less than. Okay, you will actually most of the time, I would say 99% of the time, will use them in the control structure or the if statements just to verify, or if there is some certain operation you're working on, want to verify something is bigger than or less than or equal or something like that, you will use them there definitely. Okay, so let me choose my var so I can test on the operation. Okay, and we want to use our equal just to verify if x and y are equal or not. And let's say what's actually the result. Okay, equal y, and let me save and refresh, and you can see right here it's boolean false, and that's because obviously x is 10 and y is 9. Okay, but if we will go and change y to 10, will give us a boolean true. Remember when we talked about boolean, we only have two possible values, just true or false, and var can execute this expression really easy. Okay, let me go back and change this to 9 because we are gonna use it again. Now to the identical one, we go and use it just like that and refresh it. Also it is false, and of course it should be false. And the identical one means, the difference between the identical and the equal. The identical means it's they're the same in the value and the data type, of course, and they're not even equal in the value. If we give it 10 again and refresh, of course, yeah, it's actually true, and it should be true because the both of them are numbers. Okay, this is a data type and both of them are the same value, which is 10. Okay, but if we change this to a string, if we put some single quotes or or double quotes, every one of them is true or valid right here, it will give us false. Okay, can you see that? Because they're now equal in the value itself, but they're not equal in the data type. Now y is just just a string, and we can verify that if we echo out get type. I guess we did that in some video, but I need just emphasize it for you. If we get the type of y, we can see now it's a string. Okay, there you go, now it's a string. Okay, so this is basically the difference between the equal and the identical. Now to the not equal, I need to get this back to 9. Okay, now to the not equal sign, now let's see what will give us. and it's giving us true, of course, because x doesn't equal 9, it's 10, and this is 9, and the greater than, let's say that, and it's still true because x is greater than y. Okay, the less than, which our last comparison operator right there. If we save it and refresh, and of course it's false because x is 10, y is 9. Okay, so this is basically the most basic comparison operators, and yeah, this is it for this video. See you on the next one.